Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for coming back to my channel today. Today I will be unboxing my Boxycharm face box. This is for the month of October. So this box costs $25 a month and it comes with a variety of skincare and beauty items. So I am a skincare and kind of beauty junkie, which is why I have all these subscription boxes. So, I figure, I'll show you guys what I got in my variation. I'll pop the variation on the bottom of the screen in case anybody's wondering what box or variation I did receive. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Glad to have you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with my latest postings of my videos. I do different subscription unboxings, lifestyle unboxings, beauty unboxings, and makeup hauls and whatnot. So please feel free to keep yourself informed. I do have other videos on my channels for you to check out and keep you interested in what I'm getting in my box. So with no further delay, darlings, we're going to get right into this. So let's get started. So when I open my box, this is what I am seeing initially upon opening. And the theme this month for Boxycharm for the month of October is Spellbound. So we always get these lovely little cards with our information about our products on the back. And this month we also have information on the inside in regards to the different pop-up sales and drop shop and all the other things they have going on with Boxycharm. So if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, if you love beauty, makeup, and skincare stuff, then this is a box for you. I think it's a great box to try out if you haven't already tried it. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I don't get a daggone thing for talking about Boxycharm. They should be paying me though. But without further delay, let's get started. So the first product I get to pull out of my box. And I did get to choose this product. So it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So I did want this if you are someone that has any problems with any acne spots or something like that. Dude, these niacinamide products and stuff like that, try those things out. They will help you. They have helped me tremendously. So I've used some of the other Glow Recipe products and I've been very satisfied. So I selected this one to try out to see if this one is actually going to work for me as well. So this product here has a $34 value. And this product, based on our little card here, says, this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs into the skin. It is suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or the last step of your routine. That's up to you. But this is a full-size product that we have here. It's 1.35 fluid ounces. I'm going to pop this open here so I can take it out the box and show you what it looks like. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. So, and it has a pump. You just use the pump, probably 1 or 2 pumps or something. Yeah, 1 or 2 pumps on your hand and rub it into your skin, basically is the gist. So I can't wait to try this out. I hope this really works well for me. I do have a few acne spots we need to clear up, so definitely will be using this. The next product we got, haven't gotten this before, but whatever. So I got Julep Beauty makeup wipes. I don't really use makeup wipes. I just see them as wasteful for some reason, so I just never gravitate to them. I normally go for things like a makeup eraser or like my Campanelli makeup eraser. I just think it's easier and it's not messy, but for some people I know this is very convenient. So to each his own, whatever works for your beauty routine, do what works best for you. So these makeup remover towelettes have a $20 value. Again, they're made by Julep. And it says simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin. It has witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil, and basically you just swipe them across your skin to remove your makeup. And it says you can even use this with waterproof eyeliner or mascara, and it can remove makeup without tugging or pulling. So that'd be great. I will use these because I am always wiping my hands while I am filming videos to show you guys different products. So I'll use it. But again, you know, I've never gotten makeup wipes before in a subscription box. So, okay. All right. The next thing I'm going to pull out for you guys is Gel Z Beauty. At least we think we're saying it correct. We could be wrong. This is a wing stamp. Oh, that's awesome. This has a $22 value, guys. I've been hearing about these, but I've never got one before. And this is going to be so much fun because I like doing the wing, but I be messing up. And I think most of us feel the same way. You like the wing look, but you be messing up. And I'm like with the Q-tip and trying to fix it and reapply it because I messed it up. So this will be cool. So you have the eyeliner tip on one side, and then on the other you have the stamper, so you can just stamp on your wing. That is so cool. I can't wait to try this out. So I hope it really works well. It would save me quite a bit of time, let me tell you. I think I'd be fussing with like the wing. It depends what product I'm using, because if I'm using a liquid liner, it's a struggle sometimes. So I can't wait to use this. So this I'm very excited about. That's a nice surprise. So again, that is Gel Z Beauty, if I'm saying it right. Gel Z Beauty, whatever. But that's the name of the company, and this has a $22 value. So we're going to our next product. So we have a palette of some sort, clearly, and it is Ace Beauty, Falling for You. I love the fall vibes on the outside of the palette. Very pretty. So this one here is a $34.99 value. And the Falling for You palette represents some of your most favorite things about fall and the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I did choose this as my second item for this box, so I know I did pick this. So I can't wait to see what this looks like. What to say, I'm gonna have palette for days, but oh well. And this is how she comes outside of the box. She does have a mirror, which I'm gonna flip over so I can show you guys the colors. So these are very pretty. And look, I already dug my nail in one of them. I'm telling you, I'm a mess. But these are gorgeous colors. Oh, I can't wait to rock these. I mean, just like it's a few bright pops of color here. We have some glitter ones. I think this would be really pretty to set off anybody's makeup look. And this will probably be very versatile. So this is one I cannot wait to use. I'm going to do a few quick swatches, not all, but a few quick swatches just to show you guys how this actually formula plays out on my skin tone. So let's go with candy corn, cider, persimmon, and chestnut. So this is how they look on my fingers, and we'll go right down. And the persimmon is a little light on me. Hold on. That one you may want to put your clean canvas or something on, but okay. So this is the colors, guys. So I have chestnut, which is this color here. We have persimmon, which is this light orangey color next to it. Cider is the next, and then we have the candy corn. I think they've swatched very pretty. I guess my only concern is the orange one because it doesn't show up that well. So you definitely would need some kind of base before you actually want to use that one actually on. So, but I think the colors are very nice. I can't wait to use the palette. A lot of fun fall colors, but again, this is how it worked out on me. And this is just a few swatches from the palette just to show you what it looks like. So that's awesome. And I think, do we have one more? One more product to go and we are done. So we have Tint, TYNT is the name of the brand. And this is the Lash and Brow Duo. Okay. So this has a retail value of $29, and this is a duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel. In the abyss of your makeup bag, it combines two products. The mascara is created with a smooth and oil-rich formula and with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller and thicker without clumping. And the brow gel is fine and creamy enough to achieve natural looking hair streaks. So that's awesome. So we have a black lash and a brown brow, and I basically can tell that from the top of the box here. So I'm gonna just pop it out to just show you what it looks like. I probably won't really open it because I already have so many of them open, so I'm not going to open it just to preserve it, guys. But this is how it comes, and it tells you this is the brow side and this is the lash side. So you have the difference of color here with the black and the brown, just so you kind of know where everything is. I think this is a great idea. So guys, we have 2 skincare products and we have the 3 makeup products. Not a bad box. The only thing I would say I might be a little disappointed in probably is the makeup wipes, because I generally wash my face all the time, so I don't consider this to be a good way to get makeup off. I think maybe to kind of get the first layer off, but I just don't feel like my skin is really clean unless I wash it. But that's just my personal preference. I'm not forcing it on anyone else, but this will be used because, as you can see, I have makeup all over myself. So I will be using these. But like I said, this is probably my disappointing product. Everything else I'm kind of hyped about. Especially this palette and the Glow Recipe. I love their brand. And this wing stapper. Oh, I can't wait to use this. This will save me so much time if it actually works. So that is my box, guys. Let me know what you think. What you got in your box. I'm pretty happy with my box. But if there was something in here that you didn't get in your box and you wish you had it, hey, hit me up, let me know. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next unboxing. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and it continues that way for you for the rest of the day. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.